as I tamper with your psyche.
Going on except kids playing pranks, trick-or-treating, parking, getting high. I have the feeling that you're way off on this.
You have the wrong feeling.
You're not doing very much to prove me wrong.
What more do you need? I watched him for 15 years, waiting for some secret, silent alarm. Death has come to your little town, Sheriff. You can either ignore it, or you can help me to stop it.
More fancy talk. Doctor, do you know what Haddonfield is? Families. Children. Families. Children. Families. Children. 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 All lined up in rows, up and down these streets. You're telling me they're lined up for a slaughterhouse?
They could be.
All right, I'll stay with you tonight. And if you are right, damn you for letting him go. Yeah. Damn you for letting him go.
I didn't let him out. I gave orders for him to be restrained. You let him out? The primary concern is that we stop him. I can't stop until I'm certain he's dead. He was my patient for 15 years. It became an obsession with me until I realized that there was nothing within him, neither conscience nor reason, that wasn't even remotely human. An hour ago, I stood up and fired 6 shots into him. He just got up and walked away.
Couldn't have shot him 6 times.
Think I'm lying, Sheriff?
I think you missed him. No man can take 6 slugs.
I told you this isn't a man. It's the unconscious mind. We're all afraid of the dark inside ourselves.
Damn you for letting him go.
We're all afraid of the dark inside ourselves. It's the unconscious mind.
Down in our hearts, we know that these are people doing this, slaughtering people. And the question is why? In the United States, since 1977, serial killings have risen enormously. And something's going on. People will go to a movie, and if they're disturbed, and whatever they see, whether it's a comedy, or whether it's a Western, or whether it's a horror movie, they will incorporate some of that into their thinking. I had a telephone call about 6 months ago from a guy who wanted to meet the Shape from Halloween. And the secretary told him it was an actor. He said, no, I want to meet the guy, Michael Myers. I want to meet the character who's killed all these people. So the difference between fantasy and reality in this guy's mind was a very thin bridge.
Normalcy can be destructive to the imagination, to creativity, to the intellect, to the soul. The only way we grow as people is through confronting our dark side, because if all you want is the quiet and the safety you're giving up reality.